Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video, we will learn how to add signature functionality in our Android application. So before we start, let me show you what we are going to learn in this video. And for that, I have already created one example application. So here you can see this is my device screen, and here you can see this application. So in this application we have three components. First is signature pad view. Here we will write our signature, so you can just do anything here. And the second is this button. When we will press this button, this signature will show in the image view here. Okay, so let's press this button, and here you can see the signature in this image view. So let's move to the Android Studio and start. Here we have this blank project, and the first thing we need to add library in the Gradle file, and for that just open this Gradle file, and here we need to add the code. The code you can find in the description of this video, or you can just pause this video and here you can see the code. So just copy this and then paste here. Now click on this sync now button. Make sure you have one active internet on your device and the sync is completed. One more thing, I am using the target version is 30 and minimum SDK version is 26. Okay, so Gradle work is done. Now come to this activity underscore main, and here in this code we need to first change this constraint layout to the relative layout. Okay, so this is not necessary, but to demonstration purpose I am just using relative layout. The second thing, we will remove this default text view, and here we will add the first view, that is com.github, then this gca case, whatever you can learn this, then signature pad dot views dot signature pad. So just press enter, and it is asking the width. So width will be match parent, and height we will put 200 dp. Now we need to add one id to access this in the Java file. So id we will put signature underscore pad. Okay, one more thing, we can add the color of pen. So pen color, and color we will put black. Okay, now we have added this signature pad, and the next thing we need to add button, and after that we need to add image view. To save your time, I have already copied the code here in this notepad, so just you can just copy this. Actually you don't have access of this notepad, so you can just pause this video and see the code here. I am just copying this and then paste here. Okay, so if you want to see the code, you can just pause the video. Now here in this design part, you can see we have the signature pad, then one button, and then image view. ID of this image view is image view and ID of this button is button. Okay, now let's move to the Java part. So the first thing, we need to create objects for all three views, that is signature pad, button, and the next is image view. So let me create this. So we have created all these three objects. Now we need to create one on click listener for the button. So use this button dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and here first we will create one bitmap object. Signature pad dot get signature bitmap. So this will save the signature in the bitmap form in this bitmap object. Now using this image view dot set image bitmap and this bitmap. Now we can also clear the signature pad. So signature pad dot clear. Okay, now let's try to run this. Here you can see our application is running. Now I am just doing some signature here, and when I will press this button, you can see the signature in this image view. Okay, so this was the demonstration how we can add signature functionality in our application. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Now please like this video, subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos, and also if you wish you can share this video to your friends. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.